Our next topic is...
How will you and your partner raise your kids or children together if you have different views?
So I think that's very normal.
Normal yun. Siyempre, magkaiba kayo ng way kung paano kayo ni-raise ng kanya-kanya yung magulang. Diba?
Yeah. So basically sa akin siguro, respect. Respetuhin mo na, kasi ganun yung kinalakihan ng asawa mo eh. So maaaring, dalawa lang yan. Dadalhin niya yon sa pamilya mo, sa pamilya nyo na, or iiwasan niya kasi nakita ng hindi maganda.
At the end of the day, kailangan pag-usapan nyo kung ano yung applicable sa inyo.
Yes.
Kasi what was applicable to both of either your own family may not be fit para dun sa sarili nyo.
Yeah. Hindi dito sinasabi na bakit lumaki naman kayong okay kasi pwedeng ganun eh. O lumaki ka naman okay, ganun kita pinalaki. O lumaki akong okay, ganito kita pinalaki. Okay, nandun na tayo. But it's a different family now. You have your own family that consists him, me, and our kids. That does not include our parents anymore. Because yun yung family namin before we got married. Ngayon, we have our own. So, pinag-uusapan namin.
Pag-uusapan nyo na okay pala yun, i-adapt natin.
Yes.
Pero most of the time, merong lumalabas na ginagawa ka dahil, alam mo yun, yung parang yun yung nakasanayan.
Yeah, totoo naman. Mahirap.
So, kailangan nyo lang pag-usapan ano yung mas makakabuti.